Imagine one day you wake up and receive a message saying, "Congratulations, you have been selected for a United States green card lottery." Sounds unbelievable and exciting, right? Every year, thousands of people around the world receive this opportunity through something called the U.S. Diversity Visa Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery. But many people make mistakes. Some people believe fake websites. Some people pay agents hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some people submit wrong information. And some people become victims of scams. So before you even think about applying for the US DV Lottery 2027, watch this video until the end, because today I will explain everything in a very simple way. We will discuss what is DV Lottery, who can apply, who cannot apply, what documents are needed, can your husband, wife, and children move with you, what are the benefits, what mistakes must you avoid, how long is the process, and what is the latest official update for DV Lottery 2027. Everything will be explained step by step. Let's start, friends. First, discuss what is US DV Lottery. DV stands for Diversity Visa. Many people also call it the Green Card Lottery. This program is managed by the United States government through the US Department of State. Every year, around 55,000 immigrant visas are made available for people from countries with historically lower immigration numbers to the United States. This is not a tourist visa. This is not a work visa. This is an immigrant visa. If you successfully complete the process, you become a permanent resident of the United States, also called a green card holder.
Requirement. Usually you must have completed high school education or its equivalent. If you have college, university, bachelor's degree, master's degree, or MBA, that is generally higher than the minimum educational requirement. Work experience requirement. If you do not meet the education requirement, you may qualify through work experience. The work must meet official government criteria. Not every job qualifies. The U.S. government uses specific occupational classifications. Who cannot apply? You may not qualify if your country is not eligible, you do not meet education requirements, you do not meet work experience requirements, you submit multiple entries, you provide false information, documents not real, photo size not accurate, you intentionally hide information. Always be honest. Can married people apply? Yes. If you are married, you can include your spouse. Your spouse must be listed even if your spouse does not want to immigrate immediately. Never hide your spouse. Never hide any information. Can children go with you? Yes. Generally, unmarried children under 21 years old can be included. Always list all eligible children. Never leave anyone out. Failing to include eligible family members may lead to disqualification. Can the whole family move to America? Yes. If your immigrant visa is approved, eligible family members included in the application may immigrate together or later according to immigration rules. How to apply? Step 1. Wait for official registration dates. Step 2. Go only to the official DV website. Step 3. Fill out the electronic form. Step 4. Upload a proper photograph. Step 5. Submit your entry. Step 6. Save your confirmation number. Never lose your confirmation number. You will need it later. What information will you enter? Your full name, gender, date of birth, city of birth, country of birth, passport information if required by official instructions, your active email address, home address, pics, details of kid, educational history, your marriage status. Always type carefully.
Even small mistakes can create problems later. Photo requirements. Many people are disqualified because of photos. Common mistakes include old photos, edited photos, filtered photos, wrong background, incorrect size. Always follow official photo instructions. Never use beauty filters. Never use AI-generated photos.
Is there an application fee? Be careful here. Rules are changing. The US government has announced that electronic registration will be charged a small fee for changes made to DV 2027. Check the specific amount and payment method provided on official website before signing up. Never pay unofficial agents. How are winners selected? The computer randomly selects entries. Selection is not based on money, social status, English language ability, how much age, and which religion you belong, race. There is no special shortcut. If you are selected, are you automatically approved? No. This is another important point. Being selected is only the beginning. You still have to complete additional steps. Selection does not guarantee a green card. What happens after selection? You may need to submit additional forms, arrange all important documents, visa interview attend, clear your security, medically must be fine and clear medical exam, need to pay visa processing fee, show eligibility. Some important documents need for this visa: passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, police certificates if required, documents of education, records of court if military records, if applicable, medical examination records. Always prepare original documents. How long does the process take? The process can take several months. Each case is different. Some cases move faster. Some cases take longer. Be patient. Do not quit your job immediately. Do not sell your house immediately. Do not make big life decisions before receiving official approval. Benefits of getting a green card. You can live permanently in the United States. You can work legally. You can study. You can open businesses. You can travel in and out of the country. You may eventually become eligible to apply for US citizenship if you meet future requirements. You can build a long-term life in America. Important things to avoid. Do not use fake agents. Do not submit multiple entries. Do not use fake documents. Do not use fake photos. Do not lose your confirmation number. Do not believe social media rumors. Do not pay people promising guaranteed selection. Always check US official website to get information. I'll drop the link of US official government website in description, so check it out. Biggest scams people fall for. Scam number 1. Guaranteed selection. Impossible. No one can give guarantee because it's US government decision. Scam number 2. Scam and irrelevant websites. Must use US official government website. Scam number 3. Fake emails saying you won. The US government does not randomly email winners. You must check your status yourself. Scam number 4. People asking for money to increase your chances. Nobody can increase your chances. Final advice for my audience: if your dream is to live in America, applying for the DV lottery can be a good opportunity, but always be realistic. Do not believe fake promises. Do not trust rumors. Follow official government instructions only. Be patient.
prepare carefully. And remember, being selected is based on chance, not connections. I hope this video helped you understand everything about the US DV Lottery 2027. If official registration dates are announced in the future, I will also make an updated video explaining every step. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best. See you in the next video with another US visa topic.